Hello guys, I'm Detective Kid this side. What's up everyone? Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very easy game using Scratch. So I will just show you once what the game actually is about. So you just have to like touch the ball actually, balloon. Actually, it has a very easy coding. When the video motion is greater than 10, it will change the score. I have added a score variable. You know how to do it. It is very easy. By 2 and play sound pop until then go to random position and change color effect by 25. And also one more. When the flag is clicked, set score to 0 and turn the video on. So this it is very easy. You can choose any other sprite. I chose this balloon. And first of all, we have to add that video sensing extension, which is from here, the arts extension in the bottom left corner. Video sensing. Yeah. When the medium motion is greater than, let's say, 15, uh, random position, listen, pop until then, looks, change color effect by 25. You can see it is being done in the same way as it was being done in that. And now it will be from the events when the flag is clicked, that turn video on, and now we will create a score variable. The variable's name would be, of course, score. And we will set score to 0. We'll drag and drop here, and change score by 1. We'll drag and drop here. You can see now our game is ready. It was so much easy. We made it almost in no time. Let's add another sprite. It will be more fun. It has actually the same coding. Mm. Now it will also has the same coding as the balloon, but let's change the size a bit. The balloon is looking a lot bigger in front of it, right? Now let's do it 50. Now it is fine. The place on top until done. Yeah, in this way you can add multiple things. You can make the game even more interactive and interesting and fun. You can see we just have to move a bit and the score changes. So it's a fun game to play in your free time. And in this way, video sensing can be a very easy thing to create games or animations with. Bye guys! I will see you soon in my next video. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you all liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. And never forget to press on the bell icon or else you'll miss out on some updates and miss out on some cool stuff. Bye.